Hello friends, it's June 3rd. I'm giving you an update for the June. This June update, look at my eggplants, how tall they grew already. These are the hot peppers. As you can see, I took out all the leaves after the first flower and the first Y. Got all the leaves here. These did not flower yet, so I'm waiting for them. All these already flowered. These are my sesame leaves. We already started eating them. These are some crown daisy. These are my crunchy peppers. They already all have flowers on it. Basil, parsley, some lettuce, my tomatoes. Already started getting some tomatoes already. More tomatoes here, more tomatoes. Look how tall they are. These are my squash. Already started getting some fruits. All squash here. These are my cucumbers. Already flowering and getting fruits. Also here. These are all eggplants here. As you can see, I'm happy. We've been having rain for almost 3 weeks straight. Almost every day for 3 weeks. And I'm showing some signs of fungus on my cucumbers. And also, there are some bugs. I've been killing them by hand, but I'm gonna have to make some pesticide. At the end of the video, I'll leave a link to organic fungicide and organic pesticide that I make. So this video I'll upload in a couple of days after I make the fungicide and the pesticide and I tested them. These are mustard greens, more lettuce. Here we have cucumbers, twisted peppers, more eggplants, cucumbers. I planted 2 blueberry bushes here and one here. This year, and that is in April. Already getting fruits. Tomato, eggplants, tomato. Jalapenos, more tomato here. They all flowered already, so we should be getting some fruits soon. Lettuce, as you can see, we already started eating all this lettuce. Okay, I'll update again in July. And I'll link to this description for the fungicide and the pesticide, organic ones, at the end of the video. Thank you.